when ramping up the production of the Model 3, Tesla built a permanent sprung structure, or what Elon Musk calls a tent. This was done in order to house an extra Model 3 assembly line, which would allow the company to reach their goal of producing 5,000 Model 3s per week. With the ramp up of the Model Y, Tesla needs to build a similar structure, and Elon Musk is using the recent lockdown of the Fremont factory in order to make these upgrades. The company's recent moves point directly towards a Fremont Gigafactory upgrade. Tesla recently filed a major building permit application that is worth $27,937. A permit application this large usually means that there is a major construction project going on. On this application, Tesla says that there will be civil sets that include site improvements and foundations. However, this isn't the only permit application that Tesla has submitted. Over the past few weeks, they've been continuing to file a multitude of permits. On March 25th, Tesla filed a permit application for a project called the Tesla 5K expansion that looks to provide improvement to the existing body in white manufacturing line for increased production capacity. Essentially, what this is saying is that Tesla needs a permit in order to improve one of its current body in white production lines. Another permit application on March 31st shows how Tesla is improving its module and pack production, as the application says that the permit is needed for platform extension at module pack line location in addition of H4 room. On April 3rd, another application was submitted for the installation of a Model Y conveyance platform for phase number 3. At this point, it's pretty clear that Tesla is expanding its Model Y production capacity. Tesla also submitted plenty of permit applications for its South paint shop. For example, one permit is for the utility infrastructure development in preparation for restoring former body paint operations. These paint operations will be key to mass producing Model Ys in the future. Along with the paint shop, Tesla has also submitted applications for a general assembly line named GA 4.5. With all of Tesla's previous assembly lines, they've continuously named it GA in the number of the assembly line. For example, when Tesla was working on its 5th assembly line in the Fremont factory, they named it GA5. This makes the name GA 4.5 quite strange. The GA4 was the assembly line located in the tent that was used to ramp up the Model 3, leading many to believe that the GA 4.5 is the Model Y version of the GA4. In fact, just last month, Tesla reported that they were planning to create something similar to the Model 3 sprung structure. So it wouldn't be a surprise if Tesla's team was taking advantage of the recent lockdown to make these upgrades. At this point, you're probably wondering what the sprung structure is and what the advantages for having one are. Cheaper cost. When talking about the Model 3 sprung structure, Elon Musk posted a tweet that said, "They also poured the concrete and built the whole assembly line using scrap we had in warehouses. And it's way better than the other Gigafactory line that costs hundreds of millions." The low cost of building the new Model Y sprung structure will increase profit margins by monumental amount. Less time. In another one of Elon Musk's tweet about the Model 3 tent, he stated that a new building was impossible, so he built a giant tent in 2 weeks. Since it has been over 2 weeks and Tesla is still filing patent applications, this leads me to speculate that the Model Y assembly line may be even larger than the previous Model 3 tent. Comfort. This is definitely less of an advantage than the others, but it's worth noting that Elon Musk did say that the Model 3 tent was more comfortable and also offered a great view of the mountains. Let me know what you think about Tesla's secret Fremont Gigafactory upgrades in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated.